Well, just you can tell here, that plane we saw today, that was this is one of the Draken flight inspection, that was, which as you can see here, the race as you can see, that was a B200 Super Keen Air, that was, which just all coming over. And as you can see, the registration we saw today is G-FPLD, that is. Just you can tell, he came here for quite a low pass by the looks of it. Just you can tell, that literally just came here just for a low pass by the looks of it. Whether you can see the course on his CLB 84A, that is. And just you can tell, it looks like it might be coming back around again by the looks of it. Well, by the looks of it, I think he might be coming back again by the looks of it, but I'm not sure where he is at the moment. But and just you can see, for me, it's literally turned around, it's flown here about 15,000 feet. Has literally, it's just done a big, as you can see, it's doing some sort of a loop turn by the looks of it. But God, Phoenix looks like he's coming back again though. By the looks of it, he's probably about to come back again by the looks of it. Which there he is. There you go, just you can see, it's literally today he's doing some training by the looks of it. It looks like today he's been doing that. Well, well, occasionally it looks like he's been out doing some circuit training at Cold Roads today, apparently, which is quite weird. So, as you can see here, that was the time it took off. Literally took off just that runway for A station Cold Roads today, which this is a plane that's the one that's from Donington Airport. Apparently this is one that came out from Donington Airport by the looks of it. So yeah, so this is one that came out from Donington Airport anyway. So yeah, as you can see, he's just doing quite a few circuits at Cold Roads today, which is weird, but you know. So yeah, there he is, that one here. As you can see, he's been out doing a few circuits anyway at Cold Roads today, which is quite weird. And just you can see from here, it's literally came from all the way, yeah, it's literally took off from its base at Teesside International Airport by the looks of it. This is where it's taken off from, apparently. It just took off from Teesside International Airport. So yeah, it's literally just took off from its base at Donington Airport, which, you know, this is the one that's operated by Thales UK apparently, which this is a plane that we have seen. If we go to Flight Radar, there he is. He's already on Flight Radar as well. And as you can see, that's operated by Thales UK Flight Inspection Service, that is. So yeah, and that's the registration here is G-FPLD we've seen today, which is quite weird to see. Okay, so yeah, hopefully we might see more flight passes of this one, but I don't know. But if not, then it should be heading back to Donington Airport very soon, hopefully, which is the one that which is the one that came out from, probably from Teesside Airport. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Has been calling me up. He says, I'm a white cracker. Hey, Angel, we start today's video. I'd like to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Raycon. The guys at Raycon sent me the environment